The goal of the master production schedule is to balance supply with demand by period, which is often referred to as a planning horizon. Your production and items coming in from your supply chain is your supply, and the forecast or confirmed sales is your demand. The master production schedule outlines which items need to be produced, in what quantity, and when. The MPS does not go into detail regarding the operations or tasks associated with the orders. Instead, it is like a contract between the sales department and the manufacturing department that balances supply and demand by defining the necessary quantities to produce within specific planning horizons. In reality, the MPS is only a line on the master scheduling grid that shows the anticipated production schedule or items maintained and managed by the master scheduler. In most cases, the master scheduler maintains the MPS and works with the planners to maintain the MRP. The master production schedule is used for end items, or as we've learned, independent demand items. The master production schedule must consider forecasts, production plans, backlogs, supply availability, capacity, and the specific policies and goals for an organization. A standard master production schedule is a long-term plan made for each end item separately. Typically, the planning horizon would span a few months to several years with a minimum time bucket of no less than 1 week. Now that you have a general understanding of what the master production schedule is, we should answer the question, what does it have to do with MRP? The MPS is a direct input to MRP, which then calculates the quantities of parts, subcomponents, and raw materials to purchase or produce. Some of the benefits of the master production schedule are: it assists finance with expected revenues and expenses. It works with rough cut capacity planning to calculate the required amount of labor and shifts needed in advance. It also helps to achieve the desired inventory levels. It also provides a solid base for building, improving, and tracking the sales forecast. The MPS also defines a clear, visible, and measurable objectives for operations and a plan for how to achieve those plans. Now that's a lot of information for you to take in, but there's a lot more we could go into about the master production schedule. But we will cover more of those in future lectures. For now, let's stretch our minds by answering the multiple choice question in the community or the upcoming assignment section of your class. The master production schedule is used to schedule which of the following? A. Dependent demand items. B. Raw materials. C. End items. Or D. Components. We look forward to reading your answers, and we'll see you in the next module.